The LEZYNE steel floor drive pump feels solidly built with a steel barrel, aluminum base, and a comfortable wooden handle that make it suitable for years of regular use in a home workshop or garage. Its high-pressure capability, up to 220 pounds per square inch, makes it ideal for road and track bikes where precise, firm tire pressures are essential for performance and safety. The large analog gauge is easy to read at a glance and is known for staying accurate, so you can dial in your tire pressure without second-guessing the reading. An extra long, sturdy hose gives you enough reach to inflate tires, whether the bike is on the ground, in a repair stand, or mounted on a car rack. The ABS-1 Pro Chuck securely fits both Presta and Schrader valves, reducing air loss and making it quick to move from one bike to another. Overall, this pump combines workshop-level durability, smooth pumping action, and reliable pressure readings in a design that serious cyclists can depend on for daily use.